Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. Today we will learn exercise number 4 for subject GUI application development using VB.NET. Exercise number 4 is to study different control structures in VB.NET. So there are different control structures we will see in this experiment. If else structure, then how to use else if structure, and how to use logical operators. Now there are different operators: arithmetic operator, logical operator, assignment operator. We will learn some of them in this experiment. So first we will run this project so that you will come to know what is the output. First see the output, and accordingly we will write code for each control structure. So program is after running this program, we will get this form window. Now first we will check code for if else. I am clicking on this button if else. It is asking for input values. This is input box. This box is called as input box. So input message is enter first number 5, then enter second number 9, and second number is greater. Means we are finding greater number among two numbers. So second number was greater, so message is second number is greater. For finding this output, we are using if else statement. Now we will see code for this if else, and then we will see else if and logical operator. Now how to write code for if else? In this form design, I have taken 3 buttons. Button 1. Now you can check which button is this. Just click on this button, and in property window you can check name of this button is button 3. Else if, this is button 1. In property window you can check this is button 1. Logical operator, this is button 2. This is very important for writing code. Now we are writing code for first button only. So double click on this button if else. You can see it was my button 3. If else button was my button 3. So I am clicking on that button. So click event, button 3 click event means when you click on that button, which code should be executed, what action should be taken, that code you will write here. Okay? Between two lines, between this line, this is your starting line, and end sub is your ending line. Between these two lines you will write the code, actual code. Now we will see code. Now in VB.NET, how to declare variable? This is declaration of variable. How to declare variable? Using dim keyword. Dim is used for declaring and assigning memory location to that variables. Variable names which are given just next to dim keyword. Now which two variables we are declaring? First one is D, second one is F. Then as integer, this is data type of these two variables, D and F. Both the variables are integer variables because we are taking integer values. Next, D is equal to, after running, if you remember, there was one box, input box. How to create that input box? You have to just write input box, then in bracket, in double inverted comma, enter first number. So this number, when you enter this number, first number, this number will be saved in variable D. Okay. Next, second input box for second number. Input box in bracket in double inverted comma, enter second number. When you enter second number, that value will be saved in F variable. So we have stored two numbers, first in D and second in F, second number in F. Now we will check which is greater number in these two numbers using if. If D greater than F, then you have to write then it will display one message box, MSG box, and first number is greater. If D is greater, means if first number is greater than second number, then it will display message box, first number is greater. Okay. Else means if second number is greater. If F is greater than D, then it will display message box dot show. It will display message box second number is greater. And at the end you have to end that if control structure. So please remember how to write if, then else, control structure. First if condition, then which action should be taken, that you should write after then. If this condition is false, then what to do, that you should write inside else. And at the end you should close, you should end that if else control structure. One more thing you should remember, message box you can write in both the ways, either MSG box or message box dot show. If you are writing message box, then you have to write dot show also. So this code will give you output. So the output is, when I click on if else, it is giving me input box, enter first number 5, okay, enter second number 7, okay. So second number is greater. Check it for first number greater, suppose I type 9, okay, then 5, okay. Now first number is greater. So this is the execution for only if else.